Welcome back into a video. With today we got you probably know got we got Cyborg and Cyrus. So we are gonna prove wrong at Michael Jackson and freaking LeBron Gibbs. Oh shoot. Wow, bro, look at me, bro. I'm shooting crazy, bro. I ain't. I'm gonna be the most goofy, never, never before seen skill. And now I have 3 stars. I could probably upgrade at least something here. Like ads, like trip. Oh, I can get. Oh, I can get a friend. Mm. You have 2+ money when I always. I finally have I can afford a friend now. So I can get three. I'm gonna prove mom I am the worthy one. We're gonna prove, yeah, we're gonna prove. And I got 4. Yes sir, I got 4 money. I got $4, bro. I'm so rich. Dollars, bro. I got dollars. So bro is publishing freaking goofy art. Well, I gotta get with my shooting spree here. Gonna get some shots. I'm just shooting crazy, bro. I'm literally Stephen Curry right now, bro. Wait, whoa. I only have 5. Look at me shooting like crazy, bro. I have to publish 5 of them. Gosh dang it. So I somehow, somewhere, I got 57 4 money. I'm up. So if Wi-Fi improve your Wi-Fi to upload videos, your friends will be. I could. Let's get a coffee table here. Now I have a friend too. It's a noob. Oh no, it's a guy. Okay, now let's go record my stuff now. I'm shooting crazy, bro. I only have 42. Now I'm getting like a lot of money because I'm spamming shit crazy. So I have to freaking goofy. I have to buy this one for a basketball rack. Which I don't even need it, bro. What would I need for a basketball rack where I'm literally have a basketball? Okay, I'm gonna buy a couch. Sheesh. Oh, I need 30 fudge for that. Okay, I'm gonna upload 10 clips. Bro, I'm gonna dunk. I'm literally dunking, bro. Oh, dunk. Oh, dunk. Oh, dunk. Oh, shoot. Oh, dunk. I don't know what am I yapping about. Oh, shoot. Bing. Oh, shoot. Bing. Oh, shoot. Bing. This is crazy, bro. I'm literally shooting. I can probably upgrade my ads now. But I really want the friends one, bro. I want the friends to be fast because my friends are literally long. Okay, so I'm gonna upload. Hey, baby. Okay, so I have 10 taps now. I have 10. So now I'm gonna video quote them crazy. Showing off my basketball skills. Whoa, I got $7 from that. No wonder what. Oh, $7. The baby. Okay, so now my workers are working 19 per second. 19 second per second. So I'm shooting crazy, bro. Look at me. Look at my basketball skills, bro. But I'm literally shooting crazy, bro. My shooting form is horrendous, though. What is that? Oh, baby. Okay. Brand, brand, brand. Stop there. Stop back. Stop there. Stop back. Stop there. Back. Stop back. So I have 6 tapes. I need like at least 15. Oh, I'm collecting the tapes. What is these basketball skills, bro? Literally getting 240 per second, bro. I'm still getting 2 money per second. Hey, yo, chill. You wake up crazy, you wake up crazy, bro. I'm beating away. Oh, I can actually finally have a manager. Actually, I have a manager, so at least my manager can at least wake up my goofy ass stupid. I'm shooting crazy, bro. Look at these videos, bro. I know I'm gonna get a lot of fans from this. My shoot. Oh, why this game's shooting form is so horrendous, bro? Me too as well. Tapes will get me to being nice with the ice. I'm literally shooting half court, bro. No wonder why I'm Stephen Curry. I literally have 14 tapes, bro. Okay, I guess I only. Okay, here's my 15 tapes now. Alright, now let's promo the videos. Oh my god, bro, I'm getting 7. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Wait, do I still get like money? Oh wow. Oh, I could get 9 per second and also best good Wi-Fi. Let me get the friends, bro. Oh, I could. I'm getting 8 money per second. Let me record my goofy ass shooting moments, bro. Look at my shooting moments, bro. Falling in love. Falling in love. Okay, I'm getting a bro from the computer. Wow. Do I get at least something by buying some? Do I get something when I buy? No, when I buy something, do I get something? If you know what do I mean. Okay. Look at my goofy ass skills, bro. My skills are crazy, bro. Look at this half court, baby. This game is so horrendous because of the shooting form. Oh, 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 nah, fam. Oh, 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 this is crazy, bro. Okay, I actually have some couple stuff now. Okay, I'm gonna make a 3 points. Look, bro, Look, bro, I'm literally getting 3 points every second, bro. This is crazy, bro. I'm doing 3 points every time, bro. No wonder my skills are getting fans literally loving me, bro. Okay, I have literally 13 tapes. I need 20 at least. I could finally 3. Bro, I was bound. Wait, do you get 4 money or 3 money? 3 as well, 3. Yeah. I'm getting 16 tapes, bro. If I like do more tapes videos, I think I could be rich. I'm just gonna spam it here and then like that. I'm gonna go shooting mode. Look at my jump. Look at my jump shot, bro. Now I officially have 20 tapes. Now let's edit this, Baba boys. Ah. Ooh. 14 money per video is crazy. 14 money per video is crazy, bro. I also got 4 plus money. Every time I shoot, I get 4 plus money. Let's go. I guess ads are actually making my stuff good. Buy ads and then you will get money. But to buy is like very expensive. Oh, let me guess. Spam shoot, you need like 1,000 Robux or something. Ah, what did I expect? Almost 1,000 Robux. But spam shoot almost is like 1,000 Robux. Look at my videos, bro. I'm fully in love. No, you just have to spam CRE and then tap 4, bro. Like it was something from a movie scene. Look at my, if you're seeing my video, bro, look at my tactics. How do I freaking goofy get money? Almost 1,000. Yeah, because I'm doing like a technique because of this. I'm doing like a technique so I can get money. I go close to the cameras and then just shoot and then press E again and then boom. That's how you get money first. You get close to the camera and then just shoot and then boom, you can press E. It's quite boring, but this is the only way how to do it. I'm gonna get 25 money, bro. I mean 25 tapes. And this is it. There we go. 25 tapes. There's no obby. Wait, how? Oh, there's a obby. The hell? 3 minutes of double cash is crazy. How did I... Wait, you get 6? Oh, well, lucky me. Oh no, I get 10. Gosh, bro, I getting lucky. Me too. Oh, why? Me too as well. Falling in love. Okay, I'm just shooting crazy, bro. I literally have 2 minutes of doing this, bro. No wonder why. Yeah, me too is 3 minutes. I almost forgot the technique. About 2000. Nice. I'm gonna stop here for now because I'm gonna grab my tapes and put them into your mom's Wait, bro, what the hell? Bro, how do you have 30 tapes, bro? You are a wizard. I'm getting 39 money per yeah. No, 30 money. Oh, wait, I have a floor too? Yo! I can hire more friends. That's a W. No, I realize. I need some couple. I'm literally running out of times now, bro, because I'm so addicted just shooting. I'm just gonna do like the thing do I do. You press E and then boom, you get money. Gosh dang, bro. Well, that's what you get for getting like goofy. Oh, now I run out my times now, so I'm stuck with 5 plus now. So I got 13 videos in my pocket now. But I'm getting 22. Actually, I have a lot of editors. If I wanted to grind this game, I would. But too bad, this is like pay to win. 5 now, because I ran out. Five. Yeah, five. Oh. 3,000. I didn't know what do you mean. I thought you were saying how many cash do I get per second? Yeah. By the way, how many cash per second do you have? 6. Oh, my Albi thing is now ready. I'm gonna go now. Wait, are there's like any hard ones? Or is this actually only it? Where's mine? Oh, I'm getting 12 per second. This is like taking forever though. Why? You have a quiz? Oh, our exam is already done. Yeah, no. No, like a week ago. Oh, I wish I have like a macro doing this for me. You just really need an auto clicker. They slapped the goofy friends because they are sleeping, you know. Yeah, they sleep. They sleep because they're tired as hell just editing the videos. Yeah, I agree. I guess editing for views is not worth it, guys. Usually I don't even edit when I'm at computer because I just like publish and boom. Nah, bro, not same. You ain't same, bro. You're copying, bro. You're copying. Nah, bro, straight up copy. I need like 5, bro. Why do you need freaking goofy 500 fans for a freaking Yeah, I don't even know what am I saying to now. Nah, Jordan carving to. No, I'm getting only 7 per second. That's actually nice. Yeah, because I'm spending my money. Can I dunk at least? Oh my god, I could not dunk at this game, bro. This game sucks. Bro could not say anything, bro. I'm just gonna do a normal layup. Just give me my money. Just give me my money. No, stop. Bro, you know I'm making a video, right? Bro, I'm gonna get copyrighted from, bro, I'm literally making a video. Dude, I'm gonna get copyrighted. No, I'm cooking. Bro, hope so I don't get demonetized by YouTube. Because just give me my money. What was that for? Just suck, bro. Oh, I can't even. Oh, I can't even. Oh, I can't even. Oh, I can't even. Okay, I have 15 now. Just, I'm cooked. Wait, there's codes at this game? That's funny. Yo, why? I'm gonna end this video right here, so